I think we can start the video and then see where we're going with that, right? Hello everybody and welcome to a new video and Happy New Year. This is really weird to say at the beginning of March, but first of all, it's so cold, it still feels like, I don't know, January. And yeah, I was super busy with studying for the past month because I had my first exams coming up and I had to do this first before I could do any videos. But now I'm on semester break and I have some more time and I have some time to film more videos, and I really hope that I do this. So today's video is kind of a different part for a video I'm gonna film after this one. I don't know in which order the videos are gonna be up yet. So you might have already seen the other one first, or if not, I will put it up later or link it somewhere on the screen or in the description box because they kind of belong together. Yeah. In today's video, I'm going to try the beauty product that I've always wanted, and I used my next video as kind of an excuse to finally get it because it's so interesting to me. And it's a I'm sorry, what's wrong with my voice? Oh my god. It's a cake mascara. Basically, people used mascara differently. There were no like kind of tubes with mascara on to put on, but you instead had to wet a little brush and then go over a little mascara stone and put it on your lashes. Since I'm kind of obsessed with everything vintage aesthetic and 40s, 50s, 60s, and whatever, go back further, I always was so interested in trying this product and actually getting it, and there are a few companies out there who still produce these cake mascaras, and I got my hands on one product which is from a German company, so it was not so expensive on shipping and in general, and it is this one. It's from Tanner Cosmetics and it's called the Stone Compact Mascara in black. I think they also had a brown one, but I always use black, so for me this would make more sense. And there are instructions on the back which I'm gonna read later, and yeah, here's the little compact. I really like the color. It's a navy blue and I don't know, it gives me automatically a very vintage vibe. So if I show you this, there's a big mirror on there, so don't want to blind you, so I'm gonna cover that up. But this is the actual mascara, like the little thing here, and if you go over it, there's not a lot coming off, which is good. And yeah, this is the little brush. It's kind of like it looks like a toothbrush, basically, like a little tiny toothbrush. Yeah, so this is also the reason why my makeup looks so incomplete, because I didn't put any mascara on, obviously, and I didn't put any eyeliner on because I thought this way, you know, you can see better what the mascara actually does. I don't think I have anything else to explain, and we should just get right into using that because I really want to try and see what that does to my lashes. Okay, so the box says, to obtain lashes that are thick and long, apply 2 or 3 successive coats of mascara stone with a moistened brush. So you should apply 2 or 3 coats if you want thick and long lashes. Yeah, we'll see about that. I think I do 1 coat first and then see. But we have to moisten the brush. I bought a little thing of water, and now I don't have anything to put these on. This is so great. Wait, let me... Okay, wait. I will wet the brush over there because there's a table, and then I'll come back. So now I moistened the brush and I'm going in like this, and this feels like a watercolor I did as a kid. It's fun. Okay, so there's a lot of product now. I think I'm gonna use a tissue to kind of just swipe it over there once. Okay, and let's see. Okay. To be honest, the application is easier than I thought. Knock on wood, right? Because I thought it's gonna be super messy. I read in the reviews that it needs some practice to get this right, and so far so good. And it really gives you a natural... Okay, I already messed up. Yep, spoke too soon. Really gives you a natural look. Let's try the outer lashes. Let's get these. Okay, I think that's one coat done. As you can see, I get a little bit of, you know, mess up around, but from far, you don't see it. While this is drying, I'm just gonna do the other side. I think maybe I have too much product, or the product is too wet on my brush, so this is why it kind of splats around a little. This side doesn't work so well. As you can see, it kind of clumps together a little bit. But maybe just my mascara from last night didn't completely get off all the way when I wiped it away. So... because the other side worked great, so it's not the product, it's just me being too stupid to apply. Yeah, is this dry now? No, there's just a little bit, but I think we could go in with the second coat. It doesn't really say in the instructions if you have to completely let it dry in between, or if you just have to, you know, can go right over it. But let's apply a second coat. This is how I usually apply my mascara, like I go from the base and then kind of wiggle it up. But this is hard to do with this kind of brush, so just brushing through is the best technique, I guess. Looks good. Should I try the bottom lashes or no? I don't know. Oh god. See. It's easier than with a normal mascara, because I always mess up when I do bottom lashes. I don't always put mascara on my bottom lashes, but if I do, I always mess it up. Okay. Just do it on one eye maybe, and then we can compare it better. And we'll let it dry. I don't think I'm going in for a third coat because it's already, I don't know if you can see it, but I see it in the mirror and it's already, you know, starting to clump together. Like not really, but do you see that sparkle over my lip? Wow, great. Well, it's not really clumping together, but I know if I would go in with a second coat, with a third coat now, that it would just, you know, make the lashes stick together and make them very, you know, like spider-leggy, and I don't want that. We want a natural look. And yeah, let's see how the mascara is not fast dry. Like that's the point. You need patience with these products. There's still, yeah, it's still kind of wet, as you can see, but I let it dry and then I come back. You see, I don't know if you can see it, the kind of mess up and residue I have on my lids. After it dries, I also will try to clean it up just to see how well it cleans up, because this mascara is not something that's waterproof or anything, so it should be easy to just take a, you know, like a cotton swab and just take it off like you usually do with mascara. Yeah. And I also have the feeling, because it's water activated, that it's not a mascara you should wear to anything where there's water involved. Because that will be runny, and if mascara gets in your eye, it stings so freaking much. And you don't want this in your eye. You look bad, it stings, and it's just an overall bad experience. Okay, let's see if the mascara is dry by now. Yep, seems like it. The other side too. Yeah, there's still a little bit, but I think I can go in. Okay, so I wetted this a little bit, and I'm just trying to get this off without completely ruining my makeup. Okay, it's pretty easy to get off. So this is the final look with the mascara on. If you noticed, I had some problems on this eye because I think there was still some residue from last night's mascara on there that didn't really completely get off, because I have some trouble with the mascara I'm using. It's so hard to get off, and this is why in the middle, okay, they kind of clumped together. But I don't think that's the product's fault, because on this eye it worked good. It worked really well, and I actually really like the outcome of it. It looks very nice and very natural. I don't know if it's maybe just my mind, but I think it gives me automatically a more vintage look because of the way it makes the lashes look. Does that make sense? I don't know. I like it, and it does a good job of being a mascara, but I'm probably not going to use it on a daily basis because it also takes longer. It does take longer to the drying process and to, you know, like moisten the brush, get the product on, blot the product off, get it on your lashes. So if you have time to do your makeup, then this is good. But mostly, especially in the morning, I'm in a rush because I like to sleep in as long as I can. So this is not a product for the rush. But it's really cool to kind of experience how people, I don't know, 50 years ago used to apply the makeup. And this is also what my next video is going to be, or the video before. I'm not sure which order I upload these. I mean, it would make sense to upload this before, but I don't make sense, so who knows. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'm glad I didn't completely mess up. I thought it's gonna be such a massive, not really a fail, but just a mess. Like, mascara everywhere on my face, splatters, and I'm pretty impressed with myself. Yeah, anyway, I'm just gonna film the other video now because I'm excited for that and I can't wait. Yeah, so see you in the next video. Bye!